GM is on its way to an all-electric future, with a commitment to 30 new global electric vehicles by 2025. They are aggressively going after every aspect of what it takes to put everyone in an EV because we need millions of EVs on the road to make a meaningful impact toward building a zero-emissions future. GM is positioned to design, engineer, and produce EVs for every style and price point, and they are rapidly building a competitive advantage in batteries, software, vehicle integration, manufacturing and customer experience. I'm Jenny and this is the Auto Tip-Off channel. Join us as we sit back and take in GM's presentation at CES 2022.
We are on track to invest $35 billion in electric and autonomous vehicles by 2025. As previously announced, our plan is to have all new light-duty vehicles be electric by 2035. 2 of our battery plants are already under construction today in Ohio and Tennessee. And 2 more U.S.-based plants are also being planned as we build the scale that will enable us to lower the cost of EVs to make them accessible to everyone. And that's Ultium, a revolutionary vehicle platform that can be used to make EVs ranging from compact crossovers to trucks to sports cars. Ultium features a combination of groundbreaking battery architecture, electric propulsion systems, and a common high-energy chemistry-agnostic battery cell that will power an entire range of next-generation electric vehicles. The same hardware platform that created a super truck like the GMC Hummer EV will also create the stunning Cadillac Lyriq. We recently announced a collaboration to develop and commercialize Ultium battery technology and Hydrotec fuel cell systems for Wabtec locomotives. We'll be co-developing and commercializing battery electric watercraft to help accelerate the boating industry's transition to electrification. Ultify is the end-to-end software platform that enables frequent and seamless delivery of software-defined features, services, and ownership experiences. It will allow customers to update their vehicle's software and download new content over the air. The technology is capable of allowing drivers to download a software calibration to boost the vehicle's acceleration. This over-the-air capability marks the transition from software-enabled vehicles to software-defined vehicles.
We're developing this new Linux-based software platform that allows us to separate the key software from the hardware to deliver new features and services more rapidly. What if your parked car could close its windows before it starts to rain? Or use its sensors to adjust teen driver settings for extra caution in school zones? Or simply open your garage door and turn on the lights as you pull into your house.
Just 1 year ago, we introduced BrightDrop as an ecosystem of light commercial electric vehicles, electrified containers.
We delivered our first all-electric delivery vans to FedEx last month, just 20 months after the vehicle was conceived, making the EV600 the fastest vehicle to market in GM's history. With our Ultium-based electric vans, BrightDrop will help to significantly reduce carbon emissions from last-mile delivery, the hidden footprint of e-commerce. And with our software and electrified containers, we can help dramatically reduce traffic congestion in our cities and help make our streets safer for both pedestrians and drivers.
Last year at CES, we announced that FedEx would purchase the first EV600 cargo trucks for our fleet. Well, I'm happy to report we recently received the first 5 EV600s in Inglewood, California, an important step towards meeting our milestones, and we are very, very pleased with them.
We've created a truck that is more than just an electric truck. This is a purpose-built Chevrolet Silverado EV.
We will offer several variants of the Silverado EV, starting with a work truck and a higher-end RST model in late 2023. Our clean slate approach allowed us to create a new body architecture, which efficiently leverages the available 24-module Ultium battery pack as part of the fundamental structure, which enables our impressive range. This structural design integrates the capabilities Silverado customers have come to expect from a full-size pickup, offering a GM estimated range of 400 miles on a full charge on both work truck and RST models, and standard DC fast charging capabilities of up to 350 kilowatts enable the Silverado EV to add approximately 100 miles of range in only 10 minutes on public DC fast chargers. 2 motors deliver power to the available 24-inch wheels on RST. Wide open watts mode delivers at least 664 horsepower and an impressive 780 foot-pounds of torque at the driver's disposal. 4-wheel steering offers a tighter turning radius at low speeds and improved handling and stability at higher speeds, including great trailering dynamics. The RST model offers up to 10,000 pounds of towing capability and 1,300 pounds of payload. The power-based charging system offers up to 10 outlets to provide a total of 10.2 kilowatts of all-electric power available for your campsite, job site, and even your home. And we can't forget available Super Cruise with trailering, the industry's first true hands-free driver assistance technology for compatible roads.
The front end design is sculpted to efficiently direct air down the body side, significantly reducing drag and turbulence. The Silverado EV work truck is estimated to have one of the lowest drag coefficients of any available production full-size pickup truck, which helps enable our impressive available range. The storage capacity of the 5'11" bed is maximized thanks to an innovative available multi-flex midgate, which provides just over 9 feet of storage between the cab and the tailgate when open. When you add in the available multi-flex tailgate with 6 functional positions, there's up to 10 feet 10 inches of load floor and storage capability. Massive standard 17-inch diagonal freeform LCD infotainment screen, which is paired with a neighboring 11-inch diagonal driver instrument display. Together with the driver heads-up display, with a field of view of over 14 inches, a driver can't ask for more information at their disposal. The Silverado EV will be the first Chevrolet vehicle to feature Ultify, giving drivers the opportunity to evolve their vehicles over time.
The work truck trim will offer substantial capability, up to 510 horsepower and 615 foot-pounds of torque, 8,000 pounds of towing capability, and 1,200 pounds of payload. After initial launch, we will introduce a model with a max tow of 20,000 pounds.
We will launch a work truck model in spring of 2023, including a base model at a very competitive starting MSRP of $39,900 US plus dealer freight. The Silverado EV RST First Edition will launch in the fall of 2023 as an exclusive fully loaded model. We're excited to give you a sneak peek at the future Silverado EV Trail Boss model, which taps into our strong foundation of capable factory-lifted trucks. Very soon, we will also reveal the Equinox EV SUV. Actually, I'm giving you a sneak peek right now. The Equinox EV will be available next year, starting at an estimated MSRP of around $30,000 in the US. The Blazer EV will also be available in 2023. Today, Cruise remains the only company able to conduct rides with passengers and without a driver in the city of San Francisco.
Is there anyone in that car?
Meanwhile, we are working to test and validate the Cruise Origin, one of the first purpose-built, fully autonomous vehicles to hit the streets in production form. Ultra Cruise, coming next year, is the next big step in our journey. Ultra Cruise is a game changer and will take driver assistance technology to the next level. Ultra Cruise will deliver door-to-door hands-free driving in 95% of driving scenarios, covering city streets, subdivisions, rural areas, and highways, eventually expanding to every paved road in the US and Canada. I'm excited to announce that the Cadillac Celestiq ultra luxury sedan will be one of the first vehicles to feature Ultra Cruise. Provided at exclusive volumes, each Celestiq will be hand-built, handcrafted and tailored to reflect the unique taste and desires of its owner.
Now today we'd like to introduce our newest halo, the Inner Space, a dramatic two-passenger electric and fully autonomous luxury concept. The concept was developed for our demanding world, where intimacy and relaxation have become precious and rare commodities. The expansive glass roof and sculpted body side allows unimpeded views. The doors and the roof open as one, and the seats pivot outward to create a welcoming and comfortable entry and a thoughtful, gracious egress.
Thank you very much.